Dear students, this is our maths teacher, the continuation of exercise 6.5. Okay, for 12th standard. Find the parametric form of vector equation of the straight line passing through minus 1, 2, 1 and parallel to the straight line. One line is given, and hence find the shortest distance between the lines. So, first of all, you have to find the equation of straight line. After that, you have to find the distance between the two lines. So the condition, the lines are parallel. The lines are parallel means, what is the two lines parallel condition? Vectors are equal. So what is vectors? The second one, this one will be vector. So this is common to your required line and this line. So required line point is minus 1, 2, 1. Required line vector is same as this one. So we can frame the equation as the new equation as minus I plus 2j plus k. This is your pointer. And the vector is s into I minus 2j plus k. And the second line is given 2i plus 3j minus k vector plus t times I minus 2j plus k vector. So we can write a vector, c vector, the points, and b vector is common. So now we can find the shortest distance between the two parallel straight lines with the using of formula c vector minus a vector cross b vector by modulus of b vector. So c vector minus a vector you can find out. C vector minus a vector cross b vector is nothing but c minus a 3 1 minus 2 and b vector 1 minus 2 1. Your cross product value I have given you, that modulus becomes 83. Okay, 83, and modulus of b vector is root 6. Therefore the shortest distance is root of 83 by 6. I have given in 2 root, you can write in 1 root. Okay, so that's it. So for our testing we have one more question. Determine whether the points, the pair of straight lines are vector equal to one value and line 2 also given are parallel, and also find the shortest distance between them. So what is the meaning of parallel? As I told you before, the vectors are equal means we can say the parallel, but 2 3 4 and here 1 2 3 they are not equal. Therefore the given straight line is not parallel. Therefore the given straight lines are skew lines. A vector, c vector, b vector, d vector, you apply the formula, you will get the answer. Okay, now the one more important 5-mark example question. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point minus 1, 2, 3 to the straight line. So we have to find one point in the line with the using of given line. Also find the shortest distance from the given point to the straight line also. Both we have to find out. So from the given line we can take the point and the vector. Okay, I have given in the Cartesian and vector form. And the equation of line in Cartesian form is x minus 1 by 2. This is our x1, y1, z1, x2, that is b1, b2, b3, one point and one vector format. This is our Cartesian form that can be assumed by m. Therefore any point on the line can be taken as x equal to 2m plus 1, y equal to 3m minus 4, z equal to m plus 3. Any point on the line is of the form 2m plus 1, 3m minus 4, m plus 3. And your OD vector is given point, that is minus I plus 2j plus 3k vector, right? And your OF vector is the point, any point on the line format is your OF vector. So you have to find DF vector, OF vector minus OD vector. So what we are doing is explained in the diagram. Next you have the diagram. Okay, so we found out DF vector. So what is our question? The line is given and the point is also given. You have to find the point value of f, where the point and line are perpendicular. So that point we have to find. Okay, so the line vector is b vector. It will go like this. So your required line is perpendicular to df vector. So b vector is perpendicular to df vector. Perpendicular means dot product equal to 0. We found out both the vector value. So the dot product means only the components you have to multiply. So 2 into 2m plus 3 into 3m minus 6 plus m equal to 0. The calculation I have given. Your m value will be 1. Therefore the coordinates of f are, you substitute in the place of f, m equal to 1, you will be getting 3 comma minus 1 comma 4. So your f is nothing but 3 comma minus 1 comma 4. That is called the point of intersection of your line and the point. But we need the distance of the D and F. We have to find the distance. Sometimes it may be equation. Equation means you have to use your 2 points formula. So the distance formula x2 minus x1 the whole square, or we can directly substitute here m equal to 1. You will get the distance from df factor, that is root of 4 square plus 3 square plus 1, it becomes root 26. Do you understand? This is your df factor. Modulus of this one is nothing but your distance. So 2 plus 2 4, m equal to 1 means 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 3 minus 6 equal to minus 3 and 1. So the square will be 4 square plus 3 square plus 1 root, that is root 26. Okay, thank you.